Hello. Good morning, year two students. How are you all doing today? Is Miss Opera here with you, your English teacher. So today I'll be first of all I'll start by recalling our lessons throughout the week. So the first lesson we had this week was on kindness, right? Then we also the second lesson was on verbs, and we say that verbs are action words. Then the third lesson was on prefixes. We were able to use the prefixes on and this. For example, unhappy, disobey. These are some of the examples. Okay. Then yesterday being Thursday, our fourth lesson was on spin with a verb, spider. Okay, which is a poem. So today being 13th of January 2022, our lesson for today, it will be on expanded noun phrase. Expanded noun phrase. Okay, for this lesson, we'll be needing the vocabulary book and your pencil and eraser. All right, that being said, let's look at our mission and vision at Brighton International Academy. Here at Brighton, we want to create a modern and an integrated personality for our students within a secured environment, which helps motivate moral values and scientific merit are key features. And our vision is to provide an education sustained by values in order to build the nation. Talking about values, the value for the month still remains what? Respect. Okay, so who are the people, who are we supposed to respect, guys? Everybody, okay? Whether the person is big or small, we respect everybody. And in return, we get respect, okay? So the lesson objective for today would be for you to be able to explain a noun phrase by using examples. This we are going to achieve by the end of the lesson. And by the end of the lesson, again, you should be able to show understanding of expanded noun phrases by underlining them in sentences. Okay? So that being said, let's quickly look at the vocabulary words again. Remember, today we have our spelling test. Okay? And our spelling test will start today by 2 o'clock and it's going to end on Sunday by 2 o'clock. Okay, so you have from today till on Sunday to make your spelling test on Fedena. Okay, so the first one is cat, honey, above, guitar, beautiful, elegant, charming, shilling, means, edge. Okay, guys, remember, cat is what? It's a noun. Honey is also a noun. Above is a preposition. Guitar is a noun. Beautiful is an adjective. Elegant is an adjective. Charming is an adjective. Shilling, it's like money, okay? It's a type of money, so it's a noun. Means is an adjective use. You can use it to describe, like, for example, a mincemeat. Then edge, for example, edge of a table, so it's a noun. All right, that being said, let's go into our lesson for today proper. So like I said in the beginning of today's class, that we're going to be talking about expanded noun phrase. Now we are going to ask ourselves, what is an expanded noun phrase? Okay, I'm going to leave this link for you to watch. Okay, so guys, look at this. What is this? This picture you can see here. Table, right? Okay, table is what? Table is a noun. So when we say a table, it becomes what? A noun phrase. Okay, guys? Table is a noun. But when we say a table, it becomes what? Noun phrase. Same here, we have here flowers. Flowers are what? Noun. But when we say the flowers, it becomes what? A noun phrase. Okay, guys, let's look at this one. Let's look at this one. Let's make it an expanded noun phrase. We can put what? We can put an adjective to make it an expanded noun phrase. So we say a patterned table. Pattern is the adjective trying to describe this table. Look at the top, there is patterns on it. So we can say a patterned table. Now look at the flower. We can say the red flowers. Red is an adjective used to describe these flowers. So when we add an adjective to the noun, it becomes what? An expanded noun phrase. Okay, guys. So look at more example. Look at more example. Okay. So guys, look at this. We have what? Lake. Lake alone is what? Noun. The lake, when we say the lake, it's now what? A noun phrase. But when we now go ahead to say the beautiful lake, it becomes what? An expanded noun phrase. Okay, the here is called an article. Beautiful here is an adjective. Lake here is a noun. Okay, so that being said, let's look at other pictures and see if we can make if we can expand them. Okay, so this is a noun phrase. Can you try to expand it? This also is a noun phrase. Try to expand it. This also is a noun phrase. Can we try to expand it? For example, I can say here, a colorful butterfly. So try to expand this to other noun phrases. Now, how did you do? Do you think you'll be able to write more interesting sentences using expanded noun phrases? Okay, I think so. Let's go ahead and open the vocabulary book, page 20. So guys, look at this. The first word here is what? Dog. Dog is what? Noun. The dog is what? A noun phrase. The happy dog is what? An expanded noun phrase. And then when we say the happy dog on the lead, we have used it to make what? A sentence. Okay, so here we are expected to copy the phrases and underline the noun that we are describing. So we are going to underline only the noun that is being described by an adjective. Okay, so we are not going to underline all the nouns. Okay, we're only going to underline the noun that is being described. So for example, number one, the glass vase. The glass vase is the noun there because we have glass describing this vase. Okay, we can have a wooden vase, but to describe it, we say the glass vase. Now the purple jumper, what do you think the answer is? Which of them is a noun? Of course, jumper. The useful little gadget. You're correct, gadget. The house with a creaking door. Of course, we have two nouns here, house and door. Which one do you think is the answer? Door, right? Because we have the adjective creaking describing it. Now again, that cheerful little girl in the nursery. Girl and nursery are nouns. Which one are we going to choose? The cheerful little girl. So the girl is being described here. So we underline word girl. All right, guys. So that being done, let's go over to the page 21. So here in page 21, we have to copy and complete each sentence by choosing the best words from the box. One has been done for us. So here we'll be choosing the adjective or the right word to describe the nouns in the sentence. So look, we have here, I would like a drink. So what do you think it will be? Is it refreshing or rainy? Of course, I would like a refreshing drink. So refreshing is the answer. Number two, we have bought a dash game. Is it a woolly game or a new game? We have bought a new game. We played in the dash field. Of course, we played where? In the muddy field, because a field can't be clever. My dad is riding the bike dash. My dad is riding the bike, is it with a red basket? Or my dad is riding the bike that is sad. But can a bike be sad? No. So the answer is my dad is riding the bike with the red basket. Now, number 5, my friend Lucy is the dancer. My friend Lucy is a dancer talented, or my friend Lucy is the dancer with the coily hair. Okay, my friend Lucy is the dancer with the coily hair is the right answer. Okay, very good. That being done, can we try to fix this one? Here it says that we should describe those nouns using adjectives to give extra information, then use them in a sentence of our own. So we can say here, car. We can say a fast car. So we can say, I saw a fast car. Okay, so I saw a fast car. Good. You can make your own sentence. Try to make your own sentence, okay? It must not be this one. Try it before you look at my own answer and see if you're correct. And look here. We have here a fast car. Remember, car is the noun, fast is the adjective, a is what? The article. So here, from here, I can see a brown chair, right? So we can say the brown chair is in the room. Okay, so guys, we can say what? The brown chair is in the room. We are using it to make a sentence. The is the article, brown is the adjective, chair is what? The noun, and we are using it to make a sentence. Okay, guys, so that is basically what the lesson for today is all about. So let's see if we actually understood what we did today. So guys, can you summarize what you have learned today? Okay, when you're done, can you tell us what a noun phrase is? Use an example to tell us. Now let's analyze. And can you expound on noun phrase you have given the example? Okay, if you have done all that, that means you're good to go. All right, so that is it for today's lesson. Thank you very much for listening and have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you.